And we have the Winnebago 2108DS. So I have a 2108DS Winnebago Micro Mini. Bottom of the shower curtain, disgusting. Top, the seal looks great. Nothing got in there. Looks just as clear all the way down until you get to the bottom, and then you can see where it looks like it just was not sealed properly. So that's the replacement. That's the company that we called, and I'll also put this in the description. They were pretty awesome about getting the replacement by the model number and year. Okay, so what I did was seal the top seal where the sewing is, just as a secondary precaution, which was recommended by the company, both top and bottom. I got underneath, in between the plastic as best I could, and then up the seal, and all the way across on both the top and the bottom of the seal. Now this again is just at the bottom. The top seems to be unaffected and fine. And here's what I used. Actually, just get it at the local hardware store. This measured about roughly 35 inches long. Looks shorter than I thought when I got it, but then if you measure the old one, that's right. Okay, so these are the sides where you do a quarter turn up and just pull them away. Quarter turn up, and you can pull them away. That's simple. They were able to help us also get the parts that you see that I'm taking off here. So you'll get these as well with it so that you can replace them if you need to. They just lock back into place, and they have the instructions as you could see. So very helpful. I'm going to change this out and then I'll show you the finished product. And then you're going to be able to slide this out. It just slides right up out of the top once you've quarter turned each of these and pulled them out. You also have the top quarter turn up. They pop right out by themselves, as you can see. Fairly simple. As you see, I'm just sliding it out of the top on each side and pulling it out. Again, there's the maker. 𝙑𝙬America.com is the website. And that also shows the part number 3664N as in Nancy, A as in Apple, for the 2108DS Winnebago. Now every Winnebago apparently has a different type of shower curtain, so make sure you check. And just like that, it is clean, fresh, new shower curtain. Snap them in. It was just a little tricky to get the shower curtain on track, but once it got on track on both sides, I needed help to get it started actually, and once it got on track on both sides, it turned out great.